How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. We got a jump and carry. This is JNC4000. Weighs about 21 pounds. And I guess they're made over here in Kansas City, Missouri, USA. We love selling USA made tools over here, guys. That's how you know that they're going to be quality. And everything that we sell is going to be backed by a warranty. Nice bright red jump starter. We got the 12 volt power supply and jump starter. Part number right on the top. We have your voltmeter right here. We have different lights right here that are going to tell you the charging status and if the charge is complete. We do have our positive and our negative clamps right here. And then this is probably just a little blurb about all the different products that are available from them. Yeah, stay charged. If you're a recharge, sign up for free recharge alerts. Yeah, they had something in here. I wanted to show this. A repair service coupon. Use it, abuse it. Heck, run it over with a semi-truck. No problem. We'll take care of the unit. That's how good it is. They're going to make sure that they give you a coupon in case the unit does fail. So because they stand behind their product. That's really great. That's why we sell USA made products with a warranty. So complete the reverse side with a coupon and return it along with your $85 payment, your original sales receipt. Oh wow, that's really easy. Fill that out, send it in, and there you go. $85 fee. Your unit will be tested, reconditioned, or exchanged with a refurbished unit. That's how good this product is, you guys. So this is a classic jump starter, right? Everybody knows how to use it. You charge it up, it stores the power, and then you hook these up to the batteries, and there you go. You're going to be able to jump start cars. This is one of the most affordable ones that we actually have on the website right now at vermonttoolcompany.com. This time of the year, they're actually on sale. So why not take a look down in the description and get yours today? Thanks for watching the video, guys.